I'm joined with Paul
Dun, dun, dun.
from Cake and Slice. He is an amazing baker, literally.
Don't big me up too much because if it goes wrong.
I'm happy to pick you up because you are a much better baker.
Well, I mean,
than
last video I saw you baking was, I had a bit of a nervous breakdown watching it.
I don't know what you mean, Paul. I don't know what you mean.
Let's have a recap, shall we?
Yeah, so that's me failing at making a unicorn
No, you
birthday
didn't
cake.
fail.
It was good, wasn't it?
Patience was a bit of an issue.
I mean, there's room for improvement, let's just say that, right?
That's true. So we're going to do a unicorn cookie tutorial baking. And I'm going to teach you, I'm not going to make it for you.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you the spoon.
Oh, the spoon!
Okay.
The baking spoon.
The
Okay,
baking
cool. So we're making unicorn cookies and Paul is going to teach me step by step how to actually make them. So let's do
this. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Right. Where's
the butter is in the fridge.
Like, I need soft.
Well, I mean, that's...
I need soft butter.
Okay, hun.
Have you got a hairdryer?
Yeah.
Can I borrow your hairdryer?
Your hair is not wet.
No, I'm being serious because I'm going to unfreeze this with a hairdryer. It's a little nifty tip.
Okay, right.
Be right back.
Liam.
She can't get past the camera.
Liam. Okay, so what happens now?
So you weigh out 125 grams of
Do I do
unsalted
this
butter.
first?
No. Because you can keep this and then you can make more cakes once you've mastered baking.
Oh, okay. So I need to, so...
You can be really clever here because that's 250 grams.
And how much do we need?
125.
I already forgot how much it was. 250?
No, 125. But that's 250 grams, so you just need half.
Oh, half.
You just need half, so you can just cut it in half.
Oh yeah. Oh
and
my
you
God.
don't even need to get your scales buttery.
Oh my God, thank you for that advice.
You're welcome. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to plug your hairdryer in.
Oh gosh.
And then you're just gonna heat it with a hairdryer.
That's a
But
really
you're gonna do it underneath, so you don't like. Because if you put it in the microwave, you can't see when it's done, and then it just gets runny and sloppy, and then.
There we go.
Then life is
Look,
over.
From
Fun fact of the day.
Fun
or
fact.
you could just be prepared and get your butter out early,
You could do that.
and then you don't have to bring your hairdryer into the kitchen.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. This is new. This is a new one.
Well, I wouldn't normally do this. Normally I get it out and it's ready to go, and then you just keep like rotating it.
Oh my goodness, this
See, look, it's soft already.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is like a little fondue we got.
Oh, I thought your hair's been blowing.
Let's not tell the people that are going to eat them.
This is just the hairdryer we use for baking.
This is the
Oh my God, I
baking
just put butter
hairdryer.
all over my glasses. It's so smeary. Okay.
Okay, so the butter is going into the bowl.
Okay, and then just get your spoon and just break it up a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah?
See, so the middle's still a bit. Do you want a cut and blow dry or a cut and buttery dry? 150 grams of caster sugar.
Okay, caster sugar. Caster sugar?
Do you know why it's called caster sugar?
No, actually why?
You don't know.
Oh, you don't know? I was like, that's actually a really interesting fact. Because is sugar the same as caster sugar?
Caster sugar is just like a finer grain of sugar.
Oh.
There you go. But I don't know why it's called caster. I don't know whether it goes in a caster to grind it.
I don't even know what caster is, if I'm being honest with you, Paul. So there's 500 in here.
I'd weigh it.
Yeah, wait, okay.
Don't even try to estimate.
Hairdryer or not? God, like that is a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, but you put more sugar in.
These definitely aren't healthy.
They are healthy.
Oh, please! Okay, we're nearly there. Oh, look, you've done a lovely job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then we need 75 grams of the light brown sugar.
Okay.
75 grams.
Okay. 75
75.
grams.
This is the hardest part.
Is it?
Yeah. There's
What,
not
the
really
sugar?
much to a cookie. It's just the weighing it out.
Speak for yourself. Oh, I've done it again.
Too much again. Why don't you just eat it?
No way.
Eat it.
Did I?
It's probably not the best for you. Do you want to throw it away now? Because you put your tongue on it and I don't know if it's...
I'll chuck that.
Right. Then
Okay,
we're gonna cream.
Uh-huh. That's a new one.
We're gonna cream together.
It's like the naughtiest baking
This
video.
is not
like
good.
Nigella.
I'm gonna just do something. We're like the new Nigella. You can be Nige. I'll be Nige and you can be Ella.
Nige and Ella.
Why am I doing this again?
Oh, you love it. I just realised we are literally wearing like the same thing but different.
Need to break the stripes up. Let's put these on.
Yours is like a little dress.
Mine looks like a little 1920s English bonnet.
Oh my god.
Crack an egg and beat it lightly.
Nige and Ella. Cracking an egg into a bowl and beat it.
I thought you were still singing there. I thought you added it to our theme tune. Nige and Ella, cracking the egg in a bowl.
And beating it.
Go.
Okay, Nige.
Here you go, Ella.
Okay, right. Yeah?
Teaspoon of vanilla extract into that.
Into this, yeah?
Do you know what? When I bake, I normally bake with a gin and tonic. It just makes things go a lot easier.
Oh, the truth comes out now, doesn't it? Does this need to get beaten into it?
No, she'll get beaten in there.
She gets beaten in this bowl. That goes in there.
You just need to combine these two together.
Okay.
Okay. Don't! Oh, we didn't preheat the oven. Oh my gosh, I'm the worst person in the world.
What kind of baker are you?
Alright, I'm stressed. Okay, well I'm doing this just so we've got time moving along because I'm starving.
Yeah.
Do you want to weigh out 225 grams of self-raising flour?
Okay, self-raising flour.
Okay, so we've got the flour and we've mixed it.
Yeah.
And then we've got our wonderful cookie dough. Do you want to use the scissors? Because you're so good at opening things. Wins. Okay.
Wonderful.
What ones do we want?
What ones do you reckon?
I reckon we should use the white chocolate ones just because the colours will work better against the white base.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, okay. Let's see.
Oh my goodness, oh my god.
Give it flavour. We're done. Alright, now we need to mix this all up together. Oh my god, this is such good cookie dough. You've done so well. You've made this all by yourself.
Yay!
Yay me!
Yay for me!
Okay. Does that taste of cookie dough?
Oh my god, that tastes really good.
I got so nervous then with your silence. Do you
Like, imagine
it's like, no. So now we're going to dye the cookie dough.
What was that? How big?
Oh wait, no, you need to cut the tops of these things.
What?
Yeah, because
This is like,
this is surgery. Okay, so you take
there's so much
cut the top.
baking that it's like really tiring me.
Only at the tiniest top of the nubbin.
Oh!
Okay.
How big?
Okay, we'll start with that.
Yeah.
And now you need to knead.
Kneading dough! I've always wanted to say that.
There you go, so you need to knead the dough into the red to
Oh.
dye it red. And I'm going to do the
Is
same.
it gonna get on my hands?
Maybe.
Like, will my hands be red?
Oh no, it washes off.
Okay. Good, look how gross. I killed someone.
Should we do a scene from EastEnders? Alright, hang on. Oh!
What have I done? He's dead! Oh, he's dead!
That was dramatic.
That was dramatic. You look like you killed a minion. We are very unsanitised right now. My hair is down. We've hair dried most of the food products here.
Do you reckon the unicorn phase will ever die down? Because it's been going on for a while. I mean, I didn't want to offend you, but do you think it will ever just fade away?
Out of my house!
Do you reckon we'll ever move on to like...
Honey, no.
What other mythical creatures are there? Like turtles?
Turtle's not
Sorry,
a myth.
I took... How cute is this?
Oh wow, that looks great. That oven has been on for so long, is that like gonna burn this?
No, because it reaches a temperature and then it just stops. It doesn't.
No, it does not.
When you set an oven at 160 degrees, it will reach 160 degrees and just stay there. Are you joking? Did you just thought it was a furnace?
Oh my gosh.
To then knead these together. But not all together, so then it gives like a spiral effect of colours, but not too much that it just turns into one colour.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
How you knead it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's literally unicorn colours.
So then you've got unicorn food dye, and now, right, and we need to grease the baking tray.
Baking tray. Is this okay?
Have you got two?
Now you're asking a lot more. Grease with the butter.
Yes! She's learning!
Not just a pretty face.
Is this your technique?
I just did that.
What we'll do is we rip the paper off the butter.
Look at my pathetic hand.
I mean, we'd be here for another 2 hours. Now you need to grease.
Okay.
Just get it everywhere.
Oh god, this is hard.
Okay.
More than this?
No, that'll be fine. Just get in all the nooks and the crannies. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of flour on the bottom of this to help the not stick.
Oh wow, what a great technique. Oh.
Oh! I think in the kitchen you'd be like a great sous chef.
I don't know what that is, but...
So like in a kitchen you have a chef, and then
Yeah.
you have Sue, who gets told what to do.
Say, like S-U-E.
I don't know how you spell sous chef. It's French, so it's probably got an umlaut in it. Take our unicorn dough, and you need to roll it into walnut-sized balls.
Walnuts are like that big, right?
I mean, that's quite a big walnut.
Oh wait, like that then.
Yeah, let's go for that. Let's go for like a medium walnut.
I think they will be. They already look amazing.
Okay, cookie, cookie, cookie.
Like that.
Other way. They're not gonna fit. Okay. In it goes. Have you got a timer?
We popped the cookies in the oven for 8 minutes to bake, and they came out like this.
Ooh, we've done it!
Oh my god, they look so
Absolute success. Right, these need to cool, which is your problem, is you don't wait for things.
This is where I normally go wrong.
Yeah, so they now, because they're soft, see? So you now just need to leave them to like cool and then they set.
Wow, look at the pretty colour.
The unicorn cookies.
Oh, they actually look incredible.
And you did this all by yourself.
Well,
Cookies are done.
woo! Look how bright they are!
Have you got a spatula?
What is a spatula? Is it like a spoon?
Like what you'd flip salmon with?
Literally, I've learned so much today. I've never flipped a salmon in my life.
Have you not?
No.
You don't actually have a spatula. Dum dum dum. Is it?
Maybe it's in the drawer.
Maybe it's in the
Maybe
drawer.
it's in the drawer.
Okay. Oh, good lord.
What's happened?
This look good.
Oh, well, they really do.
Gold. Rose pink.
So many choices.
Or silver. Silver. I feel like silver's not going to show.
Silver probably won't
Or do you want to just try a little bit of everything?
Yeah, go on then.
I'm really nervous. Ready?
Yeah. Woo!
Okay, so that's gold.
That's gold.
That's a gold spray. So this is a gold glitter pump. So I feel like this is more unicorn.
Oh,
yeah!
Oh my goodness gracious me.
Okay, so they work better than the gold.
Look, you can see what it's sparkling in the air.
Okay, and then wait, we've got these ones here as well, and I'm going to use. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
We literally made.
Let's get rid of this one. This one is not.
That's not okay. That one. Oh my god,
That
there's
was
glitter in the
different.
air. I don't know if you can see that, but
Okay, I think you can kind of see. There. Oh my gosh, we
oh
did
my god, we
it!
made unicorn cookies.
Do you want to try them?
Yeah, shall we?
Okay. Congrats!
Congrats, ching
Here we
ching.
go. Oh, I feel warm. Oh my god.
That is so good. Oh my god, they are so good.
Oh. Yes. Do you reckon we're sparkling? Because there's all this glitter in the
I
air.
can see it. I feel like we're in like.
We're like real life unicorns
I feel like
now.
this is like what happens when we're like in the essence of people. Like sparkle just
Sparkles just happen.
Sparkle everywhere.
These are mine and they're yours.
So that is a wrap on our unicorn sparkly cookies.
Cheers.
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 They are literally like the best thing that has ever come out of this kitchen.
We made 12 and we've got 4 left.
We've eaten quite a few, but they're really tasty. They're like sparkly and they got chocolate chips in and it's amazing. Thank you so much, Paul,
Thank you for
for
having
teaching
me.
me how to actually bake and be successful and actually like tasty.
Do you reckon you can do it on your own now?
I mean, I think I'm nearly there. I think I'm a lot more confident in like weighing things and like what you need for like ingredients and stuff.
I only wrote some great life lessons.
Learned some great life, like the oven,
Hairdryer,
hair
the
dryer,
oven, the spatula.
so many
The
things. The creaming. Mine's been blown today and it's a Sunday and that never happens.
No
Make
way.
sure you check out his Instagram and his YouTube channel because he's got some amazing more recipes on there. He's a lot more professional than
In this video,
in
maybe.
this video. So if you're feeling put off, maybe go and have a look at some of his other things because he is
And I can redeem
amazing.
myself.
He can redeem himself. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you liked our video, which
Yes.
I hope that you did, then make sure that you do like the video and leave a comment. Let us know what you thought of our unicorn cookies. And make sure you check out Paul's Instagram and YouTube channel for some more cupcakey things.
Yeah. Bye. I'm gonna eat more cookie now.
Yes, same.